JavaScript's 0.1 plus 0.2 equals 0.3000000000004, and everyone hates it. International Number Format fixes this silently with zero math hacks. This line adds the decimal values 0.1 and 0.2 using JavaScript's native IEEE 754 double precision floating point arithmetic, which introduces a small representation error resulting in a value slightly greater than 0.3 rather than an exact 0.3. This line creates an international number format instance configured for United States English locale and instructs it to enforce exactly two fractional digits by setting both minimum and maximum fraction digits to 2, then applies that formatter to the sum variable containing the result of the previous addition, converting the imprecise floating point value into a string representation rounded to 2 decimal places. This line outputs the formatted string stored and fixed to the standard output stream for debugging or user display purposes, showing the visually correct monetary-like value despite underlying binary floating point inaccuracies. International Number Format gives reliable decimal formatting without manual rounding, built-in, standards-compliant, and concise. Subscribe for daily coding videos.